Welcome back to the Tikit setup series. In this section of the series, we're going to continue the setup of our Power BI template and actually load our template into Power BI. So we've downloaded our template, we have our access token, and what we're going to effectively do is just double click that downloaded template, which will launch Power BI Desktop and bring that template into Power BI Desktop. Now, while we're waiting for that to load, the first thing I'm expecting to come back once this template is loaded is asking me for that access token. We saved that access token in the previous setup video, and I dropped that into Notepad. So I'll go ahead and copy that access token. And any moment now, we'll get the prompt to input that access token. It should be coming. There it is. Okay. So we'll go ahead and paste that in there, and then we'll load our template. So what's happening is Tikit is hitting our API, looking at that access token, and then retrieving all of the data that's respective to my Tikit environment. This will take a little bit of time. There's a lot of data and different models that are loading. But once available, this will completely load our Power BI template and give us the opportunity to further modify this template if we chose to. You may get a privacy level issue here. Or message, excuse me, not issue. And you're actually just going to click ignore here and save that. We're using the access token for authentication, so it's not an issue for us. And we're just going to go straight through that directly to our API. Now, once this is done loading, the next thing we're going to do is actually publish this template into our Power BI online workspace and then make it available through Microsoft Teams. We got it again. We'll go ahead and save that out. Here we go. We're creating the connections in all the models. Now we're loading our data. And here comes back our data. Now that we've loaded our model and all the data within our model, we're going to see a refresh here, and we're going to get our full Power BI template with all of our current data available to us in our dashboard. Now, you'll also see here as this is loading, there are different tabs of data. So I have my tickets data, my SLA data. I don't have any SLAs currently set up, and my lifecycle data. I have a few lifecycles set up. But as you are populating data, you will have that available to you to work across the Power BI template. Now once it's loaded, this Power BI template is yours. You can add pie charts and bar charts. You can create new views, create new tabs, things of that nature. This gives you the ability to build any type of report you want on top of the 15 plus reports you're seeing across the out-of-the-box experience here. Now that this is loaded, we're going to go ahead and pause this session. In the next video, we're going to actually publish this template up into Power BI desktop workspace and then make it available in my team's environment. I want to thank you for taking the time and looking forward to seeing you on the next one.